Hello, Miss A here. Today I'm here to talk to you about phonological awareness. One of the very first skills that our kids need to master when it comes to phonological awareness is sentence segmentation. Now that basically just means counting how many words are in a sentence. So I'm going to show you some very simple ways that you can do that in your classroom in just a few seconds each day to help them learn and practice this really important foundational skill. So you want to start with a simple sentence. One with single syllable words is best so that they don't get confused and try to count the number of syllables in a word instead of the number of words in the sentence. So if you start with a sentence like, my shirt is blue, the very first thing you want to have the kids do is repeat it to you so you know they have the right words. So you say the sentence, they say it back to you, and then ask them to clap the words in the sentence with you. My shirt is blue. Nice and slow, just like that. Be very deliberate with how you space those words apart when you're introducing this for the first time. Now, once you've done that, you can do a different motion with it, or you can clap it again. You can have them stomp the words in the sentence. You can have them snap the words in the sentence. They can take a step for each word in the sentence. After we've done it a few times, I always ask them to hold up their hands, and we hold up a finger each time we say a word so they don't have to try to remember the words and count at the same time. My shirt is blue. How many words is that? It's 4. That sentence has 4 words in it. So you can do that activity as a whole group in about 30 seconds. Do 2 or 3 sentences and then move on. A little bit each day, that'll add up over time. Now in your small groups or in your one-on-one time with your kiddos, you can add in some manipulatives to make it a little bit more tactile for them. I always just like to use linking cubes or unifix cubes. And if we're working with sentences that have up to 5 words, I would have 5 cubes on the table, put them in a line. Same procedure as with the whole group. Choose a simple sentence, say it, have the child or the small group repeat it to you. My shirt is blue. And then have them slide a cube for every word that they say. So they would say, my shirt is blue. And then they can count the cubes to see how many words that is. Now, as they get really good with those single syllable words, you can make it a little bit more tricky by adding in words that have more than one syllable and really honing in on the fact that it's just one word, even if it has multiple syllables in it. That's a little bit more advanced, but that's definitely where I want to be able to go. You can also stretch them by giving them longer sentences. You can give them questions, you can give them anything, right? Any kind of sentence. Whenever you see that they're doing okay with what you've been giving them to start with, make it a little bit harder and a little bit harder until they've become masters of sentence segmenting. I'll see you next time. Bye.